In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. That message usually appears when a customer's address isn't covered by your current shipping zones or when no rate exists for their region. We'll fix it by updating your shipping profile, widening the coverage of your shipping zone, and adding an international shipping option, including a free rate if that's what you want to offer. Start on your Shopify admin home. From there, open Settings, then choose Shipping and Delivery. This is the control center for everything related to how and where you ship. You'll see your shipping profiles here. A profile is simply a set of shipping rules for specific products or locations. If you use a custom profile, select that one so we're editing the exact rules that apply to the products giving you trouble. Inside the profile, open the shipping zone you're working with. A shipping zone defines the countries or regions you're willing to ship to. If you want to eliminate the can't be shipped error for more locations, select all the regions you intend to serve. If your goal is broad coverage, choose all available regions. If you only ship to certain places, make sure every intended country or region is checked. This step is key. If a location isn't included in a zone, Shopify won't show any rates for it at checkout. After making your selections, save your changes so the zone updates are locked in. Next, within that same profile, go to the shipping options and choose the international option. This ensures customers outside your domestic area can see valid shipping rates. If your store targets multiple regions, picking the international option helps cover addresses that aren't part of your local zone. Now, create a free shipping option under the international section. Set the rate to free and give it a clear, customer-friendly name, something like Free International Shipping works well. If you use conditions like minimum order value, you can label the rate accordingly. Free shipping is a powerful incentive and also guarantees that eligible international customers won't see the error because a valid rate exists for their address. Once you've finished, click Save again. Saving each time ensures Shopify immediately applies your updates. With your profile selected, the zone opened and expanded, changes saved, the international option chosen, and a free shipping rate added, that checkout error should no longer appear for the locations you've included. If you ever update your catalog or target new markets, revisit this same area to adjust zones and rates so customers can always complete their orders without friction.